So over here you can see that I have a bunch of mails and they take up a certain space right here. So what you can do is you can go around and change around the amount of space they take by changing around the density of the mails that you see right here. So to do that, you need to go around onto view and then onto density. And here you can go around and change it out to cozy, let's say for example, and the size of the emails right here becomes smaller. You can also go around and make it compact and it becomes even smaller, as you can see right here. So you can go for roomy, which is the default option right here, and you can go for cozy and compact, which changes out the entire view, as you can see. For the calendar right here, though, it does not actually work around with the same settings. So it only works for mail, as you can see right here. But whatever mail you see right here now has more room. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. And you see all of the more details right here, just like this. You can always go back over here onto the density and then go for roomy right here. You can also go around and zoom in more to the email, as you can see right here, if you want. So you can go around and zoom in more, but that is more to the email that you see only. So you can go around and zoom in and zoom out over here. And that is how you can work around with density options and then zoom options for mail inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.